A lot of people, when they join my coaching program or my live group coaching membership, they are all stuck in this zone which is known as procrastination. They are stuck because they do not know what to do. They're stuck because that's become a habit of them, and they're very, very comfortable in that zone where they are. But let me tell you one thing. Procrastination is because there's a lack of desire. Napoleon Hill, in his book Think and Grow Rich, he mentions the first chapter is on desire, because until and unless you have a desire of what you really want, it's not going to be there. You're not going to focus, because focus follows once there's a desire. Once you want something really strongly, once you want something, no matter whatever happens, you're willing to give up to achieve that success, and you focus on that, things start to move. But if there is no desire to achieve anything, then no matter whatever you do, you will start, stop. It's the same thing like when you put a destination in your navigation system, it just takes you to the destination. Yes, you may stop over for refueling or just to freshen yourself up, but the end goal is the destination. What is it that you truly want to have? What is it that you truly want to achieve in life? Whether it's the money you want, the house that you want to have, the relationship that you want, the family you want, the goals that you really truly want to achieve. You've got to build a desire for that. And that can only happen when you take 100% responsibility for yourself. Once you stop the blaming game where you say that I am this today because of so-and-so person, he did this to me, that one did this to me, and my life is totally ruined, that's BS. Because you're holding on to your past, and your past is not serving you. You need to build a desire, and when you have the desire, and you focus on that desire of yours that you truly, truly want to have, and let go of everything else. Because if it is not serving you, if it's not taking you closer to your goal, it is not worth paying attention to. I have this gold card over here, which was taught to me by my mentor, and my mentor learned it from Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill talks about it. And I have my goal written down, and I read it every day, and every day I read it. It just puts me in that energy to go towards my goal more and more. You should be doing the same thing. Write down what is it that you truly want to have in your life. What is it that you want to be? What is it that you want to become? And then just go for it. If it is whatever else that comes in your way, if it's not in harmony, if it is not serving you, taking you towards your goal, it is not worth spending your time on that. Your goal should be such that you want to get up first thing in the morning and you want to go towards it. It should be enjoyable. It should be fun. What is it that you want? And if you don't know how to go about with it, I have this group coaching program. It's a membership program. There's absolutely no restriction to it. Come join me. We've got people over there that will help you. I coach every week. I'm there once a week and continuously helping people out. What is it that you truly want to have? Put it down on a piece of paper. In fact, what I learned was write down the 10 things that you want to achieve in life. Write it down. And then from those 10, pick up one and just let go of all the rest. Let go of the 9. Pick that one goal up. Pick that one desire up. Focus on that. We have these magnifying glasses. What happens when you put it in front of the sun and you bring that beam, to that point zero focus? The heat comes up. The sun heat comes. In the same way, when you focus on your desire, everything else falls off. So if you would like to know more about it, the link is below. Join me in my group and I will be there to help you out. We've got people around there, very friendly, very helpful, and we would love to see you in there. This is Aslam, and I would love to see you in the group. Take care.